Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create opacity map for your Blender 3.3. And what is opacity map? That is some of the transparency. Just for example, this is a PNG file and you can see the background is transparent. And sometimes when you are doing the 3D modeling in Blender and you need to set the transparency and you are going to use some of the PNG picture, and by using this PNG picture, then you are going to make sure that the transparency is applied on your 3D models. And start from now, I'm going to show you step by step how to create the transparency for your Blender, how to create a real opacity map. Now you can see this picture, I already saved it on my desktop. This is just one of the picture that I confirm that this tree here is transparent. It doesn't have anything here. And next, I'm going to open my Blender. This is the Blender 3.1. Alright, first step, I'm going to delete everything. And as demo, I'm going to add a mesh, and I will just add a plane. Now you can see this plane. If I click here, I can rotate it like this. This is a plane. And first I'm going to click and make sure I select this plane. I go to the UV editing, and then at here I will drag here to make sure I turn the texture on. Then click this. This is the material properties. I'm going to add the base color. First I will add the base color. Click here to add an image texture. And then I click open. Where is the image? The image is a PNG file that's already on my desktop. This one. Now you can see, if I go to the layout again and I turn the texture on, you can see this is actually a picture, but it doesn't show any of the transparency at here yet. So to create the transparency, first I have to click on that. Again, go to the UV editing, and here you have to scroll down to make sure you find the alpha. Alright, click here and scroll up. Make sure you choose image texture for your alpha. And then you click open. Open the same picture. It is on my desktop. I double click it. Now it already applied like this. Already have the alpha map. Once it already have the alpha map, next you have to make sure you back to the layout here. It still doesn't show any of the opacity yet. It is still showing black. So you have to click here and scroll down until you see the blend mode. Then you choose the alpha click. Once you choose the alpha click, now you can see it is already become transparent. Everything at here transparent already, like this. Maybe sometimes you want to create the 3D modeling, you need the transparency, you need to have the opacity map. Now you did it. So the next step, maybe you just want to rotate it, but before that you just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. You actually create another plane with the same material property and width. You want to rotate it in that way. Now it already become like a 3D tree, maybe just because of you already set the opacity map. Now everything go well. It have the alpha clip. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorial on how to create the opacity map and also what we call the alpha or transparency for any of the 3D models with the texture, the opacity map for your Blender 3.3. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D animation and game developing. See you.